Hey guys, how's it going? This is RC Unboxing. Thank you so much for tuning in. This will be my first YouTube video that I upload. Hope you guys do enjoy. If you do, please feel free to like and subscribe. I'll be showing you guys what I purchased throughout the week and unboxing it for you guys. And it could be anything from movies, video games, action figures, anything in that range. So let's get into it. Here we have Spider-Man Far From Home in 4K. This is the Steelbook, exclusive to Best Buy. Let's just get this open. All right, nice Steelbook, not too bad. Little scratch there, but that's all right, it happens. J card. A little read up there. Special features. Nothing too crazy. Get that out the way. It's my code there. And some spider webs. We have some spider webs inside. Nothing too fancy, but that's all right. There is the disc, 4K disc, the Iron Spider suit, which he wasn't in too long in the movie, but that's all right. And the Night Monkey. All right. Well, overall, nice Steelbook. One more to add to the collection. One more go around. Spine. Wow. That back artwork is actually really nice. Alrighty guys, thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on the next video.